I've just had an awesome weekend, and to close things off, I'm going to be teaching you how to make my favorite cocktail of all time, Elderflower Gin Tonic. The first time I ever tried this was with my brother at a pub in England several years ago, and I liked gin and tonics pretty decently at the time, but the first time I ever tasted Elderflower Gin and Tonic, it absolutely blew my mind. It's a really simple recipe, and I like to use a 1-to-1 ratio of my gin and my tonic before adding a splash of elderflower syrup to mix in and finish it off. Elderflower seems to be a less common cocktail ingredient in the US, and my personal favorite syrup of choice for this is the Belvoir elderflower syrup. And now for the fun part. Here we go. And here we go. Now we have our Elderflower Gin and Tonic cocktail. Cheers. Perfect every time. So if you'd like to recreate this delicious British cocktail that is still my all-time favorite, pick out this Belvoir elderflower syrup for yourself today, and your taste buds are going to be amazed.